Hey guys, this is Corey with Funtown RV of Amarillo, and today we're going to take a look at the 2024 Ember E Series Model 22 MLQ. This particular bumper pull travel trailer comes in at 5,292 pounds as we see it here equipped today, and is going to be 27 feet in overall length. Now this is a middle living with a rear kitchen, rear bath setup. Everybody and their brother makes this floor plan, but what I want to talk about today is what makes the Ember version of this a little bit different. So without further ado, let's go ahead and we'll get started. And if you've seen this style of floor plan, you know that everybody and their brother makes it. So what I want to focus on today is what is Ember doing that nobody else is doing. So one of the things right off the bat is these are way taller than your average trailer. These are going to be in that 6'9" category. So it feels nice, big, and open in this trailer. Now, starting off in the main super slide, you do have full theater seats. Now, there's a lot of versions of this trailer where you only get a jackknife sofa. So I love the fact that they're doing theater seats, because that's the #1 request that I've seen in this floor plan is give me theater seats, give me theater seats. And a lot of brands just can't do that. So that's one thing I really do like. Right next to that, you're going to have plugs to be able to charge some things. Now these are going to have the heat massage and the lighting functions. And you do have a wireless phone charger right here. That is cool. I do really like that. So many of them don't do that. If we take a seat at the theater seats, you can see you're directly across from the entertainment center. Now it's a little off center right here, but if we move to the right-hand theater seat, you get a little better of an angle. Now you do have a traditional booth dinette that can drop down into a sleeping space. And one of the neat things here is this is a what they call a dream dinette. So it doesn't have any posts in the middle. And I'll show you how that works here in just a little bit. You have a great viewing window right here to be able to look out at your campsite, and all of your windows are going to be tinted, and they have the blackout roller shades, which is very nice. Again, you do have your TV right there. You do have your Furrion air conditioning system with the quick dump function right there, which is really cool. I do like that. And actually, and in point of fact, it is remote controlled. Instead of having a traditional thermostat for that, it has a remote right there. Now right here is going to be your main control panel. So you've got your slide out and awning controls, a whole bunch of lighting controls, your water pump, and then the Bluetooth button. Plus you can also see all your tank levels. Right here inside the entry door, you are going to have a courtesy light there. And that is, I believe, on a motion sensor. And then you've got a nice shoe garage here as well. No carpet in this entire trailer. You also have no heat ducts in the floor. They're going to be in cabinet ducted heating ducts. So you'd like right there, right below your breakers and fuses, you've got a very nice spot for one of those. Now, what I wanted to look here, I don't believe, yes, you do. You do have power down there too. That is very nice. I do like that. Now, here's a quick look at the kitchen space. We'll come back and check out this here in just a little bit. Right here's going to be your thermostat for your heat, and then your, oh, that's nice. Okay, so this is the controls for a Max Air vent fan here. So that is a very nice feature to have, and a lot of brands don't put this in the kitchen. So many of them only put one in the bathroom. That's a fifth wheel type feature. And then here's a look from the other way. I love the fact that you have the privacy curtain. That way, if you do have a guest sleeping out here on the dinette, you know, you have a little bit of privacy, and that is something this floor plan is not really known for, is having a private bedroom. This is a 60 by 80 true queen bed. And you have strut supported underbed storage there. Power on both sides. And then over here, you're going to have a drawer on each side. All these drawers are soft close. You've got your hanging closet space on both sides of the bed and strut supported cabinets here with good storage there. All this is going to be pocket screwed cabinetry. So if you feel back here, you can feel where the screw holes go in. Now, if we look back in here on each side, you have a little kind of reading light. You have household and power, and I'm not entirely sure what that is. That may be like a motion sensor light, but you do have lots of spots to put a CPAP machine and stuff. Plus, I love that padded headboard. And bear with me on the terrible camera work there. I like to get up and show you those kind of things, but sometimes you have to get in some awkward positions to do that. So real quick, let's go ahead now and we'll open up all the rest of this storage in the living and kitchen area and take a look at that. And then we'll move on to the bathroom. Okay guys, so I've got all the storage opened up. So right here, you've got some good storage next to your TV. That TV can swivel out as well. You've got the same thing on that side, plus a little bit back there, plus access to all of your cable connections and all that good stuff. Good storage right here. That's a nice big pantry. Now, if we step back and take a look above the theater seat, you've got some good storage here. Strut supported hinges right there. I even forgot another one. Wow, okay. So there's a drawer there. You've got your 10.7 cubic foot, 12 volt DC compressor driven refrigerator. And with the freezer right there. As we get into the kitchen proper, you've got good storage here. Hood range, 2-burner cooktop with the light up knobs, convection oven, microwave. Now let me know what you think about that. They don't do a traditional oven, so it's basically like an air fryer. 4 drawers that go all the way down to the floor, plus a big pots and pans drawer right there. More power outlets. More power outlets. Good spot for a waste basket. 2 more drawers. All pressed membrane thermal foil style countertops. You do have a 1 basin sink with the drying rack there. Good storage up top. And in case you're wondering, more power outlets and USB ports. Goes all the way back into the corner. And then you've got a little bit more right here. So, really good kitchen. Now in the bathroom. This is a little courtesy nightlight. You do have the bigger fan. Towel hooks. Tankless one-demand water heater controls. Plus all your switches there. Porcelain foot flush lever toilet. Let's see how... Oh, yes. Okay. This has got plenty of leg room. It's a little close on this side. Toilet paper holder right there with some cubbies. GFI protected outlet. Good amount of cabinet space up there for some linens. Mirrored medicine cabinet. You get to look at my goofy face. Nice big sink. Again, pressed membrane countertops. Good storage down there as well. And I love that they put a little handle to help you get into the shower if you do need that. Plenty of room here. You do have the slow close shower curtain. Skylight up top. And if we turn this around, you can see I have plenty of room here as well. And so if you're 6'5", 6'6", you can still shower in here comfortably. And then we'll give you a look over here, just kind of from the other angle of the bathroom. So overall, this is a really, really well thought out and well put together trailer. One of the things that I can't believe is how stout their cabinets are. I love how they're put together. And then I know I said I was going to show you how this works, but here is what the dinette looks like in bed mode. So let's go ahead and close this slide out and see what it looks like in road mode. So all right guys, with the slide out closed, you have a nice walkway to be able to get back here to your pantry. You can open the fridge all the way open. Same thing with the freezer. And you can get back here to the bathroom very easily. And you can even get to all your kitchen space. And you can use the bed in transit. So this one is fully turtle friendly. Okay guys, so we're on the outside of this Ember 22 MLQ. So starting up front here, you have a power tongue jack, two 20-pound propane tanks. You've also got a spot for your battery. You are prepped and ready for the Furrion side marker cameras and rear camera, which we'll see here in just a little bit. Very nice sized pass-through storage. And I love that it's finished off like that. So many brands just don't do that. You are going to use or have the manual jacks. These are the new quick drop jacks though. So really neat there. You can run those with a cordless impact or drill if you want to. Nice big old power awning. You do have the triple step Lippert solid steps. Screen door that separates off, and it does have a friction hinge. You do have the LED lights in the awning. So if you want to hang out around the campfire at night and you need a little bit light, or a little bit of light, you can do that. Very simple graphics package, which I am a big fan of. You've got the large range recessed handle, Asdale sidewalls. So that's a green-based material that will not delaminate on you. Dual axle, cable and power for an outside TV. And then, in case you were wondering, use common sense. And then right here, you are going to have the never adjust and easy lube axles. Coming around to the back, you do have your 30 amp or your furnace access here. Square tubular bumper, square tubular receiver hitch for a bike rack. Here is your docking station. So that's going to have things like your freshwater inlet, your city water, black tank flush, cable, satellite, all that good stuff. Your 30 amp service is right there. Plus you've got your tankless on-demand water heater. And then right here's where you dump your tanks. And this does have a fully enclosed and forced air heated underbelly with heat pads on the holding tanks. So love that that's not underneath the slide out as well. You are prepped and ready for slide out awning toppers. I'm not a big fan of those because of where we're at in the country, but you can always put them on if you do want to. And then right here, you are prepped for solar on the side. You've got your battery disconnect and your tank heater switch. Plus, you are going to have some lighting here. So that is very nice. Fully walkable roof. These do not have solar on them. That is their Ember Overlanding series. But overall, this is a great smarter class camper. And what I mean by that is it's got everything you need, not too many bells and whistles, but just enough to make it enjoyable. So with that being said, that's going to wrap it up for the 2024 Ember Model 22 MLQ in their E Series. If you're interested in this travel trailer and you'd like pricing and availability, I'll put a link down below in the video description where you can check that at any time. You can also give me a call at the Amarillo location. Again, my name is Cory, but that phone number is 833-242-1194. Or you can shoot me an email at Cory.gabel at funtownrv.com. And it should have popped up when I was talking about that, but if it didn't, it'll be in the video description. You do me a favor, guys, before you leave, hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe and notification bell. That'll keep you up to date with all of the new trailers we have coming out for you. So with that being said, we thank you very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed. We hope to see you out on our lot very soon. And remember, at Funtown RV, we have the best products, best selection, and the best prices around. So we'll see you.